I'm taking you to Belagavi, in southern India, where an aluminium plant just became a blueprint for green engineering. Hindalco's Belagavi Alumina Refinery is my pick for a college innovation project, a smart coffee dispenser, because the parts inside need clean, responsibly sourced aluminium, and this place is changing how that aluminium is made. Quick context: aluminium is everywhere: frames, casings, heat sinks. But refining it takes energy. Traditionally, lots of fossil energy. Not here. As of 2025, Belagavi runs on about 80% renewable power. Solar, wind, hydro. Solar, wind, hydro. That's huge. Let's talk impact, because numbers matter. First, carbon. Switching to renewables is cutting an estimated 340,000 tons of CO2 every year. That's like taking more than 70,000 cars off the road annually. Second, water. Processed water is recycled, over 70% recovery. Effluent is tightly controlled. In a water-stressed region, that's essential. Third, efficiency. In 5 years, per-ton emissions dropped 62%. Every kilogram of alumina feeding our aluminium parts carries a smaller carbon footprint. Now the money. Because sustainability has to make business sense. Since 2021, Hindalco invested about 120 crore into renewables and efficiency at Belagavi. That investment slashed electricity costs by roughly 27%. Lower energy bills stabilize pricing, even when fossil fuel markets swing. There's more. Buyers are paying green premiums. Belagavi can capture 3% to 7% higher pricing in certain contracts. That premium helps fund more clean power, better technology, and long-term reliability. So why does this matter for a coffee dispenser project? Because the biggest footprint of a small device is often in the materials. If I source aluminium from a plant with 80% renewables, 70% water recycling, and a 62% cut in per-ton emissions, I start clean. It also means better compliance with campus and corporate ESG goals, fewer headaches in life cycle assessments, a stronger story when I pitch. This dispenser is built with low-carbon aluminium from Belagavi. Let's talk people. Over 700 roles tied to renewables and grid integration. Engineers, technicians, data analysts, operations. Local partners are extending rural electrification, which means more reliable power for schools, clinics, and small businesses. Cleaner operations show up in public health. Less air pollution, safer water handling, better agriculture because irrigation is more dependable. Wastewater management is smarter. And the technology? Think modern process control, energy management systems, real-time monitoring across solar, wind, and hydro inputs.